This example is finding three arithmetic means between term 1 and term 5. Term 1 is a value of -12. Term 5 is 16. And we want to find three terms in between there. So step 1, we want to set up a sequence, is my recommendation. So term 1 is given to us as -12. And then we have a question mark, another question mark term, another question mark term, and then what we're given is term 5, which is 16. So these are our two givens. So if we think about an arithmetic sequence, it has a common difference from one term to the next. So if I start at term 1, I have to add a common difference. If I jump ahead to another common difference, I'm right here at another plus d. I jump ahead again, another plus d, and then my last plus d. So it takes us 4 common differences to go from term 1 to term 5. So step 2 is to find the common difference. We want to find d, so we can find those question marks. So we have to take term 1 and add 4 common differences to get to term 5. So let's go ahead and substitute what we know in this equation. Again, we have to take 4 common differences and add it to term 1, and we'll be at term 5. So let's substitute in term 5. Term 5 is a value of 16. Term 1 is a value of -12. Our common difference is unknown. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve this for d. So we're going to use our algebra skills. So the first thing we will do is add 12 to both sides. So 16 plus 12 equals 4d. 28 equals 4d. When you add 16 and 12. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. So d equals 7. The last step is to find those missing 3 terms using d. So again, our common difference is a +7. So now we can go back up into our sequence and add 7. So -12 plus 7 is -5. And then -5 plus 7 is 2. And then 2 plus 7 is 9. And then let's check. 9 plus 7 is 16. So we've now found our 3 arithmetic means between -12 and 16.